If you have small bedroom, do this space-saving solutions using Scandinavian style. The hardest part of designing a bedroom is usually dealing with a small space. Like this 7.5 square meter bedroom with dimension of 3 meters by 2.5 meters. It's challenging to fit everything you need, like a bed and cabinet, leaving no place for a desk. The remaining space is only 30 centimeters, which is too small to serve as a passageway and inconvenient when opening the cabinet. So what we will do now is design the room in a way that accommodates an additional study area. In this video, I will give you some tips how to maximize your bedroom space, smart storage solutions, and design tricks to enhance comfort and style. Finally, we will use Scandinavian-style interior design. We'll walk you through the design process using SketchUp and Enscape, from initial concept to the final reveal, highlighting key changes and the reason behind them. Plus, if you're a professional interested in the floor plan, 3D perspective, and the SketchUp model, including the materials, Illuminating Engineering Society or IES, and HDRI that we used in this video, as well as other templates in AutoCAD. You can join or become a pro member of our community for exclusive access to the drawing materials we used in this video. Let's get started. To deal with this 2.5 meters by 3 meters bedroom, first, let's plan it. We moved the bed to one side to open up floor space. Next, we're going to install a built-in desk here, with a built-in hanging cabinet above it. On this side, we'll add a built-in wardrobe. Now let's turn this 2D plan into a 3D model. But first, let's dive into the design style we're using. The Scandinavian design style. Known for its simplicity and minimalism, clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a focus on functionality. We will use a neutral color palette, a dominant color of white for a bright and spacious feel, soft grays for a subtle contrast and warmth, earthy tones for a cozy and natural look, an accent color of black for sharp, clean lines, soft blues for a touch of color without overpowering the space, light woods like pine and birch to add warmth and texture. Additionally, we will use functional furniture, which is multi-purpose and space-saving. Now let's add the material for our flooring. We opted for hardwood flooring, a popular choice for many homeowners due to its durability, aesthetic appeal, and the value it adds to your space. The average price of hardwood flooring in the US ranges from $6 to $18 per square foot, including materials and installation. Our furniture will be simple and functional, emphasizing natural materials like wood for warmth and texture. For the bed, we opted for a built-in bed frame with dimensions of 2 meters by 1.3 meters and a height of 50 centimeters for a comfortable sleeping experience. This design not only maximizes the use of space, but also provides ample storage underneath. The drawers have a width of 50 centimeters, a length of 35 centimeters, and a depth of 35 centimeters. Another drawer next to them is connected by buckles to fully pull it out. This one has a length of 85 centimeters. The average cost for this built-in bed frame with drawers ranges from $250 to $300. We'll now attach the built-in desk that extends to the end side of the bed. It has a width of 50 centimeters, a length of 2.5 meters, and a height of 75 centimeter desk height. Ideal for studying. This will serve as a display area and a study area for your child. It also includes 5 compartments, 4 drawers with a width of 55 centimeters, a length of 50 centimeters, and a depth of 15 centimeters, and 1 large side pull drawer beneath it, with a width of 45 centimeters, a length of 1 meter, and a height of 70 centimeters, ideal for storing larger items like suitcases. This built-in desk maximizes the use of available space, making it ideal for small rooms. With multiple drawers and compartments, it offers ample storage for books, stationery, and other essentials. The average cost for this ranges from $200 to $400, and this cozy chair worth $145. Above it, let's now put the built-in hanging cabinet. It has a height of 1 meter, a width of 2.5 meters, and a depth of 30 centimeters. This wooden cabinet includes both closed compartments and open shelves, with one compartment featuring a glass door, perfect for displaying and storing your child's things. The ideal distance between the top of the desk and the bottom of the hanging cabinet is 50 centimeters to allow for comfortable workspace usage, while ensuring enough clearance for objects and tasks on the desk. The price for this built-in hanging cabinet typically ranges from $400 to $600. In this area, we're going to attach the built-in cabinet. It has a width of 50 centimeters, a height of 2.5 meters, and a depth of 45 centimeters to maximize vertical space. Made of painted wood material, this cabinet typically ranges from $400 to $750. The combination of a study area, built-in cabinets, and sleeping space makes the room multifunctional without feeling cluttered. For our decorations, let's opt for a minimalist approach. Items such as potted plants, simple wall art, cozy textiles, and some of your child's collectibles will add character without cluttering the space. The costs for these decorations are $29.99, $54.99, and $59.99. For your curtain, we recommend light and airy materials to maximize natural light. Sheer fabrics, commonly used to allow light to filter through while still providing some privacy, typically cost $39.59. Finally, let's focus on lighting. We'll incorporate layered soft lighting with a desk lamp, which is $31.97, good for studying, ambient lights for general illumination, which is $64.99, and maximize natural light to keep the room feeling open and spacious. You can also use some LED strip lights for the shelves. They are perfect for illuminating shelves and display cases, making items more visible and adding a sophisticated look. These strip lights cost $27.99. With these steps, we've completely transformed this small bedroom into a functional, stylish, and comfortable space, perfectly embodying the Scandinavian style. By utilizing smart design choices, multifunctional furniture, and a minimalist approach, we've managed to create an inviting and practical environment that maximizes every inch of this 7.5 square meter room. The result is a harmonious blend of simplicity and elegance, providing a cozy and efficient space for your child. Check the description below for links to the products featured in this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments.